Hi, Alex here from the Emirates with Autonomous. Today we have this tremendous live market call. I invite you to see it until the very end. Hopefully you find it useful in your own investment and clearly demonstrates 100% accuracy. Invest in financial markets and you can use it in any financial asset: stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, ETFs, and even futures. I also invite you to follow us on social media: Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you. With the Beyond Meat Live, $165. And I'm going to explain here what did happen since the very beginning. And by the way, you can reduce your investment position in Beyond Meat. I'm going to put it here just for your reference. You see here on the right hand side, minimum risk. You never had any risk whatsoever investing in Beyond Meat because, my friends, I told you since the very beginning, we make it happen. And I was 100% sure about it was going to happen. So I told you, and you had to follow the instructions. And by following the instructions, my friend, if you follow the instructions as I explained it here in detail, not just buying shares at 46, the IPO when I had a strong buy rating, and everyone else had sell ratings and strong sell ratings, live on CNBC, all these scammers. No. I said strong buy rating. It is going to be the best IPO. Okay, it is going to be the best IPO together with Zoom. And moreover, we said you acquired a massive investment position. The company reported earnings, and ahead of earnings, they maintained sell ratings. Okay, the highest price target in Wall Street, it was for $95. Imagine, and our price target since the very first day, it was $120, $125. After the company reported earnings, I was here once again. The share price was 115, and I was saying this. And you have it. In fact, it is public. You have it on the blog, on the web, social media, Twitter, YouTube, everywhere. I was saying you buy more shares of Beyond Meat. We are raising price target. Okay, so my friends, today you have 168. So where is the difficulty of this? There is no difficulty whatsoever. Moreover, when you, as a subscriber, you have access to my course on live technical analysis. Well, this is explained in detail there. Okay, we have a proprietary rule, which I said here thousands of times. It is worth hundreds of millions of dollars, and you just have to go through the course and you have the lessons there, okay, the proof of it, and the investment process in Beyond Meat. It is one more clear demonstration of the value of that proprietary rule, which is ours. We created it and we demonstrated it thousands of times. Okay, so we reduce the position in Beyond Meat. Notice that this has never been about figuring out where the top is going to be or the bottoms. Never. Okay, I said Beyond Meat, it is an opportunity similar as an investment to Chipotle. Chipotle, I started investing 56. The stock went to $700 plus. Obviously, Beyond Meat is not going to $700 plus. Okay, there is no chance whatsoever. But it was a comparison that I used to tell everyone this is the stock that you need, period. Okay, so congratulations to everyone. We reduce here at 167. You have 173 right now. So what are you going to do going forward? Simple. In trading, that is the reason why you have here the concept of minimum risk. You don't have any risk whatsoever. You never had. You are going to raise your trailing stops on remaining position, and you are going to decide then where you wish to sell the remaining position. It is up unto you. Okay, so do you understand? You raise your trailing stop. If you want to sell, for example, now everything at 177, I'm fine with it. No problems whatsoever. Okay, you are out. You are out. But one thing it is certain, you already have millions of dollars, millions, okay, millions and millions of dollars in your bank account and you have the service paid for the rest of your life. And the only thing that you had to do, it was to follow my personal guidance, utilizing precisely this stock, but also the other IPO that I referred to, Zoom. Don't forget that Zoom also made very well, although obviously we said, and we were very clear about it, that this stock was going to be by far better. Okay. So by the way, now that we are 183 and 53, 184, I'm selling here more shares. So I'm going to type it here since I'm recording this live. 184, Alex selling. Okay, this is automatic. It's the algorithm, okay, that does it. You are seeing this in real time. Okay, I sell here 184. Okay, all right. So it was automatic. Orders filled in automatic. Open orders. You don't have to do anything. You are a multi-millionaire. Okay, and you reduce 167, so you raise trailing stops. And I explained here everything in real time, unlike scammers on the web. And this is the most important. Thank you very much. Bye.